Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in Snapchat. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So here on the bottom menu, I'm going to click on chat and then let's click on this blue circle. And here I'm going to click on new group. And then let's name our group. So I'm going to call it Snapchat group. And let's scroll down and select friends that we want in our Snapchat group. Just simply click on their names and then click on chat with group. And here's our Snapchat group. Let's type our first message and let's send it. And that's how to create a group in Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.